This is Matt from Mobile Glass, replacing my windshield. Service has been excellent. Kirsten was very friendly over the phone and gave me a quote, and even when they didn't answer my call to schedule the appointment, they promptly texted me back, and I was able to schedule an appointment that very same day. And here we are, getting my windshield replaced. The price was the best one I could find. I got probably 10 different quotes, and this was the best price. And they also offer discounts, which would even make it a better price. So overall, very pleased with the service. I will definitely recommend the company to anybody that needs a windshield repair or replacement.